Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, sunroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.